when the CFAIR air compressor has been running for 1000 hours. The replace compressor, primary air filter, and replace compressor oil separator should be replaced, can ensure the performance of the air compressor. Before you begin, the unit must be shut down and depressurized. CFAIR screw air compressor. Replace compressor. Primary air filter. Step 1. Remove air filter cover. Step 2. Remove the main air filter. Step 3. Take out the new original air filter element. Step 4. Wipe the inner wall of the air filter. Step 5. Install the main air filter. Step 6. Install the air filter cover. CFAIR screw air compressor. Replace compressor oil. Place prepared. Oil containers install. The supplied oil pipe. The screw oil flows out from here via the pipe path. Turn on the switch and drain. All the oil off switch. Just add RC446 standard screw oil and observe the air compressor oil level gauge. Oil separator should be replaced. Remove the top cover of the gas liquid separator. Remove other plumbing fixtures. Try not to dismantle this part. When putting it back together, you must strictly follow the instructions. When installing this component, the tail should be placed on the central axis of the gas liquid separator and kept 3 mm away from the oil separation core. Please operate strictly according to the above figure. Continue to remove the remaining parts. Continue to remove the 2 pipes. Proceed to remove the trachea. Continue to remove the gas liquid separator cover. Take out the oil separator core. Replace the new oil separator. Follow the previous steps to install the parts on the top cover of the gas liquid separator back in sequence. Note, the screws on the cover need to be tightened to between 100 to 150 mm using a torque wrench. When putting it back together, you must strictly follow the instructions. Finally, install the cover and you are done.